Hey, what's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and on today's video, I'm going to be giving you a MyEcon review in 2018. So with that being said, I hope you're ready for this information because I'm definitely ready to share it with you because I feel that this information can be extremely life-changing. Okay, so stick with me to the end of this video. I'm telling you, you're gonna get some value. You're gonna be getting exactly what you came to this video for. All right, so let's get into it. So first things first, why did I even join MyEcon in the first place? All right, so I realized that there's a problem that almost 90% of people have, right? And that problem is financial literacy. And what is that in regards to? So there are tons of people out here that are living paycheck to paycheck every single month, right? And most people don't really know what to do to actually get out of that situation. And MyEcon just understands how to help people solve this problem, right? So and before you try to go anywhere, this is not just about generating business income. There's literally a way that you probably don't know right now on how to get a pay raise without asking your boss. There's literally a way to do that, right? And I'm going to be talking about that a little bit in this video. So just stick with me, right? Stick with me, please. I'm telling you. All right, so let's get into it, right? So let me go ahead and minimize my camera, and I'm going to take you over to what I created. All right, so this right here is the cash flow strategy. All right, and I'm going to go over it. So if this is kind of confusing you looking at that, then just stick with me. All right. So the first thing it says, leverage the tax dollars coming in. So how do you leverage those tax dollars, and what am I even talking about? All right, so there's a form called a W-4, and 80 to 90% of people fill it out incorrectly. Now, I want to go ahead and give a little bit of transparency. I haven't touched my W-4 since 2012, since I first joined the military. So what basically you can do is, if you fill it out how we teach you in the program, right, then you can now get a pay raise in your at least $200 to $500 extra in your paycheck that you currently bring home. We're not even talking about business income right now. We're talking about your current job. Now, this is literally one of the things that stood out to me about this company more than anything that I saw. It has some great valuable information in there, but this right here was a game changer, an absolute no-brainer. All right, I can literally help you increase the amount of income you have right now to a larger amount of income at your job without even helping you. Before I teach you, before you learn anything about marketing, before you even think about sales or anything like that, I can help you increase your current job income, right? And then turn around, and then now you can generate business income. And then after you generate business income, you're now going to start to lower your expenses, build your credit, because you're going to be eliminating your debt. That's the intent of lowering your expenses, right? And I'm kind of getting ahead of myself, but that's what we're getting at. So if I can help you increase your monthly income from your job, right? Now you have surplus money. Okay? All right? And then now, which is the second thing, you're going to lower your expenses. How do you lower your expenses? Eliminate your debt. Once you eliminate your debt, once again, let's talk about that surplus money, right? Meaning that you have a lot more money because first we helped you increase your income on your job. Then we helped you eliminate your debt, right? Where you're actually working on your credit yourself, right? You're not paying hundreds of thousands of dollars to get it fixed by some credit company. And I'm not harping on any of those companies, but we can do this ourselves, guys. You don't need help from all these other companies. We are competent enough to do it ourselves if we're taught the correct strategies. All right. So we've talked about leveraging the tax dollars, right? So now we've helped you increase your check. Now you're lowering your expenses, eliminating your debt. Now, right? We've helped you do that portion. Now we're going to start talking about the business. So we haven't even got to the business yet, but I've actually helped you make money before you even thought about business. Powerful, guys. That right there is powerful, and that stood out the most to me. Nothing, I haven't seen anything where the actual service that the companies provide is going to help you increase your income, not only in a business, but on your job. Powerful wealth strategies. I love it. I absolutely love this company, and I literally only joined 2 days ago at the time that you're watching this video. All right, so let me continue. All right, so now what you're going to do, now that you've increased your income, right, and you've lowered your expenses, and you are now continuing to eliminate your debt, now you can show others how to do it. And guess what? If you're increasing your income, you're lowering your expenses, you're eliminating your debt, what else are you doing? You're building your credit. You see how everything is just combining at one? This is why I got so excited when I got inside and I saw the information that they had, and I was like, man, this right here is the thing that's going to change a lot of people's lives. Do you guys understand how important credit is? Do you guys really understand how important credit is? Cash has nothing on credit. And with you being able to increase your income like that, just on your job, and then now you're showing other people how exactly how you did that, and getting them involved in the program so they can do exactly what you did to increase your income on your job. Now you're increasing your income in the business, and now you're creating long-term investments for the future. Powerful, guys. Man, it's powerful, guys. And then and as you can see what I put right here, taking the money from step 1 through 4 to invest into 5. So we've leveraged the tax dollars, so that means we increase our monthly check. We lowered the expenses and eliminated the debt. Those two are kind of correlate. And then show others how to do it, so we can now generate more income, which is the business income. And by doing those things, that's going to help build our credit. Month to month, our credit is gonna be increasing, right? And then guys, this is the most important part, right? The long-term investment for the future. So if you have all this surplus money, the intent is not for you to go out there and blow that money, right? Because we show you exactly how you can start putting away thousands of dollars, literally putting away thousands of dollars. Because if you increase your income, you're building your credit, right? This is where we get into the access part, and I'll talk about that in a minute. So you're building your credit, right? So your credit is getting good, your expenses are lower, you're not putting money in all those places that you were already putting them in, right? Such as those credit cards, and maybe like your car, right? Let's say you use the strategies that we have inside and you pay off your car. Now, where is that car money going every month? You have it. Oh man, it's so powerful. And then once you get to the point where you have no more debt, guess what? You're gonna be able to now put away into like IRA Roths, which is tax-free money. Also stocks, and just like any long-term investments, and we're going to teach you exactly, if you want to know a little bit more about those investments, you're going to learn that all in the program. Guys, this is not like most of the companies you see out there. People will tell you, they have some powerful information inside of their platform, but really this right here is a different type of information. The information that they share inside of their platforms, that's good. But this right here is good. Like good. When I say that, and the only reason I say that is because this is information that's literally going to help you get to where you want to be in life, right? Because you got to understand how important credit is. That's not their main purpose. Their main purpose, from my experience, is financial literacy. Game changer, absolute no-brainer. And I'm telling you guys, I'm not the person that's just gonna say, get him, just join. I'm not that person. My purpose for this channel is to help people. It is to help you guys. That is my purpose for this channel. And I honestly believe that this company, MyEcon, is going to change a lot of lives. And this is not a new company. This company has been around for 13 years. But you see, people didn't really catch on to it. But I'm actually glad that I caught on to it, because I've learned in the past 2 or 3 days or so, I've learned, oh man, I've learned some pretty powerful stuff, guys. And this is what the wealthy people do. Literally. And I didn't know, the crazy thing is, I didn't even know how to do half of the stuff that I'm seeing in here. Powerful stuff, guys. So I'm not going to go ahead and make this video any longer than it needs to be. What I will do though is I will recap the strategy so you can see the light at the tunnel, the light at the end of the tunnel, the same way I saw it. All right. So this is how it works. You get involved with MyEcon, right? You get involved, and let me talk about the prices real fast. There is a $47 one time, and then $35 a month. That's it. That is it. And it's crazy because the information in here is worth I would say it's worth millions of dollars, right? And that's just my opinion. But the stuff that's being taught in here is life-changing. You know what I mean? So let's go ahead and recap the strategy, and let's not make this too long. All right, so first things first. You're going to leverage the tax dollars that are coming in, right? By filling out your W-4 form correctly, okay? Right? And that's exactly what we're going to show you how to do inside of the program for a one-time $47 and then a $35 a month. That's it. All right? So that's going to help you increase your paycheck on your current job, okay? All right, so we got that out of the way. Lower your expenses and eliminate your debt. The way that you lower your expenses is eliminating your debt, all right? And then you're going to show others. So we've already helped you create more income on your job, right? Now we're helping you create income in your business. Now think about how simple it can be to, if you can help somebody increase their income on their job, and they see that your income increased on your job by applying these strategies, how interested do you think someone's going to be, right? Just think about it. On the other side, like on this video right now, you're probably watching this and you're like, oh man, that sounds great. If I can increase the income on my job, imagine the different things that you can do, right? But the intent here is not to spend it on, waste it on stuff that you don't have no business wasting it on. The intent is to eliminate your debt and then create long-term investments while building your credit. Okay? So you show others how to do that. They see that, they're interested, they get involved with you, right? And if you really want to, you can build a team. If you enjoy building teams and being a leader, do that. Build a very big team, because that team is going to have the same information that you had to create this cycle instead of the paycheck to paycheck cycle. All right? All right, and then you're going to take step 1 through 4 and invest into 5, which is the long-term investment. All right, and then at the same time, you're building your credit. And that is the strategy, guys. Now, I know I didn't go into complete detail because the complete detail is inside of the program, MyEcon. All right, so if you want the information that I now have, guys, this information is super powerful. If you want the information, then I will leave a link down below in the description. And remember what I said, I've given you guys the prices, all right? So basically, $47 one time, and then $35 a month. That is all you have to pay, all right? That is it. So if you want to learn how to increase the income on your job, while at the same time creating business income and also being able to create long-term investments, go ahead and click that link down below in the description. get started, pay the one-time $47 and just pay $35 a month for the website and the technology. You'll see it once you get inside. All right. So with that being said, I hope I've given you. Matter of fact, I hope you've seen the light at the end of the tunnel. I hope you saw it the same way I did, because I'm telling you, it is life changing. All right. So with that being said, I hope you got some value from this video. I really, surely hope you did. And if you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And also, if you want to lock arms with me, I'm going to be putting together a few bonuses for anybody who decides to join my team. So just stay tuned for those for those videos. And also, I'm going to be giving you guys many testimonials where I actually implement these strategies and just show you my results and what's happening inside of my business and just overall inside of my life as well, because this is life changing. All right. So with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video, my friend. Peace.